Good morning, boys and girls. This morning, Miss Doris is going to do a science experiment. We're going to see what would happen once we add vinegar and baking soda together. This is baking soda, and this is vinegar. Do y'all have an idea what might happen if Miss Doris put these two together? Who could come up with the answer? Anybody have an idea what might happen? It what? Well, do you think it might make bubbles or it may fizz up? So let's find out what is going to actually happen when Miss Doris put baking soda and vinegar together. Are you guys ready to find out? Okay, let's find out. Miss Doris is gonna put some baking soda first in a bowl. I hope you all can see this. This is our science experiment. I'm gonna turn it this way so maybe everybody can see it. And then Miss Doris is gonna add a little extra touch to it. I'm gonna put a drop of food coloring in it to make it pretty. I'm gonna hold it up so everybody can see it. That's the baking soda, okay? Now, Miss Doris is going to open the vinegar, and we will find out what is going to happen when we actually pour the vinegar in here. Well, Miss Doris is going to take a guess, and I want to see if I am correct. Miss Doris thinks it might fizz up. So let's find out. Do you know what caused it to fizz up? Anybody know what would make it to make the baking soda fizz up? Cause of the vinegar reaction? Okay, let's find out. So I'm gonna pour. I am going to pour. Y'all see it? I'm gonna hold it like this so you can see it. Look at there. See? It did fizz up. You see it? Wow. Now let's add some food coloring to it. What color did I add in there? What color is that? That is orange. That is the color orange. Okay, I'm going to do one more. And make sure all the boys and girls get a chance to see what Miss Doris did. Okay, I put in some more vinegar. I made some more baking soda. And I'm going to put in some more vinegar. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. I might add another color. Let's do two different colors. What color is this? Anybody tell by the top? That is blue. Okay. Let's add a little more. Wow. You see it fizz up? Look at here. Wow, look at it, guys. It fizz. I'm going to put some blue food coloring in there. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Baking soda and vinegar science experiment. Okay, Miss Doris will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.